Welcome to the Arbutus Analyzer tutorial series. This tutorial will discuss how to work with date and time data using Arbutus Analyzer. Whether you're dealing with a date field, a time field, or a date-time field, like the two in our view here, the field type that's used is the same. When I edit the table layout and I look at the arrived field, you can see that the type of data is defined as a date-time field. The only thing which changes is the length of the data and the way in which it's stored, also known as our internal format. In this case, we're dealing with a date and a 12-hour time portion put together. If I defined just the date portion, it would be the first 8 bytes, and then the formatting would be different. Similarly, if I was looking at the time portion, it would be the last 10 bytes, and the formatting would denote that there is an AM or a PM at the end of each of these time portions. If you had a 24-hour time piece of data that you were defining, you simply put in the formatting of hours, hours, colon, minutes, minutes, colon, second, second. There's no need to put an AM or a PM because it's a 24-hour time clock. If you wanted to calculate the difference in time between the departure and the arrival, all you need to do is right-click, add a column, click on the expression button, and then build your expression as departed minus arrived. By default, we automatically convert this into an elapsed time, and we present it in the view as hours, minutes, seconds. In the event that there are a number of days which have elapsed, we would actually list the number of days as well. If you wanted to filter on an elapsed time, all you need to do is simply, in this case, I'll take the column header and drag it to the global filter area, and I'll look for all elapsed times which exceeded 8.5 hours. So in order to tell the software that, I'll put a reverse quote followed by an E for elapsed. I'll put in the hours followed by a colon, the minutes followed by a colon, and then the seconds. Even though it's 8 hours, we have to put a leading 0 at the front here. Okay, and after I put in that expression, I'll click on the little check mark to set the filter, and I'll do a count, and we can see that there are 42 records which have elapsed times of greater than 8.5 hours. Working with dates and times in Arbutus Analyzer is very quick and easy. For more information about how to work with date-time information in Analyzer, please see the Analyzer help or contact your local support person.